This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Vioma Lorenzo. This home has so much to offer with 2,005 square feet of living space, 3-bedroom 2-bath plus a den/flex space. This open floor plan features a large blended space of the kitchen, dining area, and great room. The eat-in kitchen design has 38-inch cabinets, stylish granite counters, and a large island with additional seating perfect for everyday dining and hosting too. Triple sliders lead to the screened lanai with a hot tub framing the back of the home, where you will enjoy a private and serene fairway with beautiful pond views, and the Florida weather year-round. A spacious owner's retreat is in the back of the home and includes a walk-in closet and a nice ensuite with dual sinks. Bathroom offers a garden tub plus a walk-in shower. No carpet throughout the entire house. Built in 2020, this home is located in Town Park Estates subdivision inside Riverstone in the well-sought-after 33,811 community. The neighborhood has 2 community resort-style pools, a clubhouse, multiple playgrounds, an outdoor walking/biking track, a dog park, outdoor exercise equipment, and multiple lakes for fishing, canoeing or kayaking. You will enjoy watching the sun and fun air show from your serene backyard hammock, fishing from your backyard lake, or relaxing in your hot tub overlooking the water frontage view. CED is included in the taxes. Professional photos coming Tuesday. For more information, review the